Hello friends, today I want to show you an experiment that surprises with its effectiveness, so watch this video to the end. You may need this for this experiment. We will need ordinary hydrogen peroxide, 3%. It can be purchased at any pharmacy. Costs quite inexpensive. The next component that will be required for our experiment is water. We need about 100 ml. We need to heat the water. This can be done in the workshop using a hairdryer. So after we have heated the water does not need to be brought directly to a boil. It was slightly warm. We take the next ingredient. The next ingredient is table salt. We will require around a tablespoon of salt. Incorporate it into our heated water. And stir warm water is needed so that the salt dissolves well in it. Once all the salt has dissolved, I'll require a plastic cup similar to this one, with good density. In other words, we need one that is quite sturdy and tight. The resulting liquid into a glass. As you observe, the salt is nearly entirely dissolved. I grasp the cap. And we also remove this plug. And now we pour hydrogen peroxide into our liquid. We pour the message into a 100 ml tube. The next ingredient we need is ordinary citric acid, which can be purchased at a common grocery store. It is fairly inexpensive. We will require 2 tablespoons and add it immediately to our solution. After that, we thoroughly mix everything. The solution is ready. This solution will be useful to us for a quick and very thorough removal. Rust from metal parts happens. Sometimes you come across such parts that, for example, cannot be cleaned of rust mechanically, and this solution will serve us for immerse all our corroded parts. And now you'll need to wait a bit longer. Well, as you can see, the reaction literally went on after 30 seconds. Moreover, such a violent reaction immediately caused bubbles. In the same way, you can immediately see that the water changes its color, that is, it has started. Acquire such a faint rust color, that is, slowly this solution is already starting to work. Well, now we are recording the time. How long will it take to completely clean these details? So now, 14, maybe 33 minutes ago, we loaded the details. Let's display the details. So, when will we see the results? They will be cleaned immediately. I want to notice what you see. We specially made it so that our parts do not completely go into this liquid, so that later you do not say that we cheated and this solution does not work. As you can see, we have rusty parts left on the water. Naturally, in theory, they should not be cleaned. That is, they will remain in the same state as they were. Eight minutes passed and the color of the water changed. He looks a lot like Fantu now. The reaction is also still going on. Here we wait further. So, about an hour and 15 minutes have passed. There are advantages and disadvantages. Our water has become opaque. Let's take it out and examine the results. I'll figure it out. First we'll rinse it with ordinary water, that's all. Now wipe it off. As you can see, the rust is fully removed from the bolt in our designated spot. It wasn't in the solution, which is natural, so everything stayed rusty. So here it is, this bowl, you can water it right away. But you can already see that there is no rust left on it. That is, in fact, friends, the solution works. It works wonderfully. Worth it all. Quite inexpensive. That is, they, let's say, can be used at home. So, friends, how did you make sure that the working worker method 100% works? It costs a penny. You liked my video, like it, ask questions. If suddenly your YouTube slows down, then go to my vContacti group. I'll leave the link under the video. But for today, I have everything for now.